Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, here at Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're about to get on Runaway mine train with my ma. All right.
Now it says remain seated at all times.
Yes.
I think that could be hard.
I don't think, yeah, I was going to say there's no chance of me not remaining seated.
Standing up.
No, I don't think I'm going to get up anywhere. I don't even think I'm going to get out of here when the ride ends.
That would be bad.
I'm here the rest of the day. Yeah.
Oh dear.
Can't believe you talked me into riding on this thing.
It's gonna be fun.
Okay. Nice cool breeze. Look, they're playing volleyball over there.
Climbing, 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 climbing.
Okay, up we go. Hey Ma, did you know that this was custom made for this park, this roller coaster, by a company in Italy?
Cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Fun fact.
Here we go.
Oh no.
Are you ready?
No. This is not right. This is not right. No. Don't do this. No. 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 Okay. All right. Enough.
Let's do it again.
Okay. No, we're not doing it again.
One more time.
No, we're not doing it again. We're stopping.
No, one more.
No, we're gonna stop here. We're gonna stop here, Ma. And get a. No. Well,
Here we go.
who said no? No.
Climbing.
What? Hey,
Climbing.
look, the roundup.
Did you know that this was made custom in Italy for this park?
Say again?
Did you know this was made custom in Italy for this park?
Really?
Deja vu.
Who told you that?
Look at the mountain.
Oh, mountain.
Uh-oh.
Oh, nice.
We're
Hold
going
on.
down.
No, we're not doing this again,
Here
are
we
we?
go.
No.
Ready?
No, let's not do this again. No. Let's not do this again. Hey, look, the roundup. Oh. No. Okay, I got it up. All right. Oh, look, the barrel. Okay. All right, are we going again?
No.
You sure? That's enough? Okay, put my hat on then. Okay. Oh. Stay tuned for another ride. Hopefully it's not this one again. I thought I saw a bird go by.